stimulating discussion, maybe interesting questions. Maybe the last one is the most on the spot. I think there is a distinction between ontological and epistemic approaches, but I think if we have some sketch maybe of how on the fundamental level this question could be unified, it can indicate us the way to maybe make the two fields, biology and technology, closer together and ease the communication between the two communities.
There's a sense in which what we're trying to capture is a sort of natural idea. And those are usually capturable not with some account that's got 27 clauses, but there's an intuition and a relatively basic conception of what function is. And we've got 2 or 3 or 4 different basic conceptions. And instead of coming up with arcane, ridiculous theories of function that are tailor-made to deal with every single possible counterexample, retain the core intuition of several of them and apply them in different ways, I think is a wiser approach. That's why I'm a pluralist.
I would say that as far as normativity and accounting for the source of it goes, if we're able to carve out what exactly we are talking about, whether we're dealing with the epistemology of it or the ontological aspects of it, I think that the trade-offs that happen either way is something that needs to be considered when we want to sort of render whatever theory we subscribe to or whatever theory we are innovating in there. And again, I like that at least it was mentioned here, and it's something that makes me want to think more about these things, about what role exactly philosophy should play if we are to revise or help with what actual biological practice is, or to just sort of stand back and say, okay, this is what biology does and they have no problems with these issues that we're raising, so we should just let it go. So as far as discussions here, that's what I think.